Okay, I want to give you a glimpse into the arcane world of card magic. In particular, the dark arts of card magic. Okay, so this is something you can learn on the Absolute Math Magic channel. So subscribe and you'll learn about all of this here. Now here I'll just kind of give you a glimpse into this wondrous realm here. So I need 12 random cards. So I'll just see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and then let's mix these. Now I'm going to say out loud things that I normally would not vocalize, okay? So here are the 12 cards, and in my mind's eye I'm going to see a special number, okay? And I'm going to tell you what it is. The number I see in my mind right now is the number 11. That's kind of weird. Why would I see the number 11? Okay, well, we started over here in the realm of AMP structures. I did a left-right shuffle that took us into the realm of 2 cycles. Well, here you can randomly cut or perform a Charlier shuffle or even a SuperCUT, which is a powerful little thing. So this is where you just deal out a certain number and then you just move into a Charlier shuffle. Isn't that cool? From this point, we can do a Klondike shuffle. Famous, powerful shuffle here. That will land us in the realm of mirrored structures. Once you're there, oh boy, is there magic to be had. You can deal out the cards into any number of piles if that number of piles is a divisor of the packet size with random stacking from left to right or right to left decided by the spectator. You can also do an even or odd up jog. Here's an even up jog with random stacking. You want right on left? Okay, you sure? We can do a mange, over under. Or you can do an under-over as well. That would be just fine. We could do a FARO Shuffle, classic shuffle. This is where you actually break the cards exactly in half, and then you perfectly interlace the cards. Okay, so that's called a FARO Shuffle, a very nice shuffle. And then at this point, I think we'll just put out pairs because you're probably getting a little bit tired. Okay. Okay, so what did I see in my mind's eye again? What was that special number? Do you remember the number I saw? I saw the number 11, 1-1. Why is that? Because there will be exactly 1 red pair of cards and exactly 1 black pair. Could I have seen that? Well, there's no matching pair there. Oh, there's 1 red. Okay, we're looking for just 1 black and only 1 black. Oh, there's 1. We are hoping that none of these are matching in color. Nope, and nope. Yes, we nailed it. Isn't that amazing that I could see the future like that? Now, of course, that could have been chance, right? So let's go ahead and just try that again here. So I'll just come out with the rest of the cards and mix them. Once again, we'll just need 12 random cards chosen. I kind of wish you were here because I would have you choose these actually. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's mix these. Now I'll tell you out loud again the special number that I see in my mind's eye as I look at this packet of cards. Okay, see if you can figure out what it is I'm seeing here. Okay, so the number I see is 10 plus 1 again. So I see 11 again. What are the chances of that? Crazy, but that's what I see in the future. Okay, randomly stack those. That took us from here to here. Why don't we go ahead and do what's called a 50% coating. You just deal out half the cards. How would you like these stacked? Left on right? Okay. This time we can actually deal into 4 piles. I don't think we've done that yet. How would you like these stacked? Left to right? Okay, that's just fine. From here we could do a Klondike. That would be just great, and actually put them out in pairs. That would be just fine. Okay, very good. In fact, how would you like these stacked? This one next, that one, this one, and then that one, and then this one. Okay, wow, isn't that amazing? We can do another Klondike. Okay, boy, we are just mixing these cards. Okay, and then maybe we'll do a left-right again. And then at this point, I think we'll call it good. You want left on right? Okay, that's fine. So once again, we'll put out pairs. Okay, so what was that special number I saw? Oh yeah, it was 11 for the second time. Well, why is that? It's because there's exactly one red pair here and one black. What are the chances of that? Okay, no matching pair there. No matching pair there. One red and one black coming up. Ooh, there's a black. There's a red. These better not match. They don't, and they don't. Yes, we got it a second time. Let's see if we can do it one more time. 3 times a charm. Okay, so let's try that a third time with the remainder of the deck here. So I just need 12 random cards. Okay, and once again, if you were here, I'd have you choose them, but you're not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Let's mix these up. Now, what special number will I see in my mind's eye? I don't know. But see if you can figure out why that number is coming to mind. Okay, so what special number do I see in my mind's eye? Well, I see 10 plus 1, which is 11, plus 10 is 21, plus 1 more is 22. So the special number I see here is 22. 22. Isn't that interesting? Okay, well, I started here. I did a mange that took me into the wonderful realm of mirrored structures, right? So we can stack those from left to right or right to left. It's really your choice. We could do a FARO Shuffle, okay? So this is where you divide the cards exactly in half, and then you perfectly interlace the cards, okay, if you can. I didn't spread those very well, so it's kind of hard to interlace those just right. Okay, so that's a FARO Shuffle, okay? And then maybe we'll do a mange, over under, okay? Where will that land us? Over here in the realm of 2 cycles. So we can do a SuperCUT. Okay, so this is where you just go 1, 2, 3, let's say, and then you just move into a Charlier Shuffle. Very good. We can then do a Klondike. That would be fine. That takes us back to mirrored structures. That's kind of fun. And then we'll finish in a different way. I think I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so what was that special number we saw at the beginning? Oh, I think it was 22. Well, what does that mean? That means there'll be exactly 2 red pairs and exactly 2 black. Okay, well, the 2 black, we can see 2 black now. We just don't want any more of them. So 2 red and 2 black. Oh, we got them. Okay, 2 red, 2 black. We don't want these to match. Otherwise, we've blown it. Okay, how did we do? We nailed it. That 22 was a window into the future. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do any of this, head on over to the Absolute Math Magic channel, where I have hundreds of videos dedicated to brand new card magic. So thank you for watching.